We have just arrived to Belém in the state of Pará in northern Brazil. I am so excited to be here today because we are going to Combu Island on the other side of the Amazon River to experience how the locals harvest and eat acai. Acai is one of my favorite foods in the whole world, and I'm so excited to see how they produce it here in Brazil, straight from the source. We are about to hop on the boat right now and the adventure begins. Hello! One of the reasons why I'm so excited to be here and to see where acai comes from is that I love acai bowls. They're like my favorite food. I eat them all the time at home, but I actually have no idea where it comes from. You can see it here in these really thin stalked palm trees. This is where the acai grows. When you're going to pick them, you like shimmy up the sides of these really small palm trees and cut the whole bundle of them. Today they're going to be teaching us how they climb these crazy tall, crazy thin palm trees.
Going to see that all of the eco things that we plan in here are made from things that we reutilize. So...
Peconha artesanal mesmo, ela é feita com a palmeira do açaí, na forma tradicional, milenar, aqui. Oi? Filmou? Tá?
Chegar, tu pula de pouco.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
You got this, right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
How do I keep going? I'm stuck. I don't know how to get down. It's wet. How do you go up? This is a workout.
Totally didn't hurt, right?
There you go. Yeah, girl. Come on. Okay. What's right?
Woo!
There you go. Now close more of your feet. Yes.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, find traction. Get past that part.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey!
Good.
How do you climb this so fast?
Oh, Isso aqui, ó.
Vem devagar porque ele tá afundando bastante.
I feel like I'm not really using my feet.
Pisa bem aqui.
Hey, look at him.
You forgot the knife.
Oh yeah.
You forgot the knife.
Damn it.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, just don't drop.
I got it.
Yeah.
Tired. I got it.
Almost there. Hey.
Parabéns.
Yeah.
Okay. Estão fazendo estudos também para tentar reaproveitar.
So you peel this layer off, and it's like this, like bright purple. It's probably my teeth too.
Stains.
Yeah, all of my
Stains.
fingers.
Matches my fingernail polish.
Ooh. Oh yeah. So we just collected the acai and we're going back into the kitchen to see what we are going to be eating for lunch. In this part of Brazil, they actually eat acai with fish, which is incredibly unique. I've never seen anyone do that before. And oh, it looks like the fish over here is ready. Wow. Crazy.
This is actually the acai.
Oh wow. Once the acai has been harvested, it's poured into a spinning machine that grinds off the pulp. In Brazil, they pour in a less concentrated acai puree, which helps liquefy the pulp, and the result is the purest form of acai. Next, they pour in water to collect every last bit of the pulp. This creates a lighter, slightly less concentrated acai blend. Afterwards, all that's left behind are the cleaned seeds. Watching the process of how they make this pure acai got us very excited to taste it, but we had some time to kill before lunch was ready. So naturally, we explored the jungle. Oh. Oh my god!
And go to the carnival.
More your leg.
Wow. This is what happens when you bring a man-child back to the jungle.
Nothing like a good old bath in the river.
Aww.
Next to this one.
And now for the key ingredient in today's meal.
Just a little bit.
A little on the side. It's like the purest color purple. And this is without any additives, no sugar,
Primeiro sem
nothing.
açúcar. Manioc flour is made
Whoa.
of the root of manioc. Manioc is a
It's
root.
so sour.
You actually taste it, fry it.
Wow. That is so different than it tastes at home. You can almost, it tastes more like a plant, if that makes sense. It's like very acidic, I guess is the right word for it. It's not sweet at all. It's actually pretty sour. And the manioc flours are really crunchy. So it gives the whole thing texture, because otherwise it's like really similar to yogurt. Curious how this is going to be mixed with the fish.
On the fish. And then you go like this. With the same spoon, grab with your hand the bottle. Like this. Like this.
We're not in California anymore. And then together?
I'm not a prepper.
No, it's so good. It's a big bite. Couple of buns in there, for sure.
Thought of combining these.
So the way of mixing the fish with the acai is something that is particularly special to this island.
About this island, yeah, not only this island, but the Marajó Islands, all the islands we have surrounding Belém. Because in the islands, people don't usually eat rice or beans with acai. No, they are eating only fish, manioc flour, and acai. This is the main lunch, okay? So this is why we're gonna keep the man truth all the day long. So he has to have a big bowl of acai, a nice slice of fish, and manioc flour.
So I think what my favorite part of this combination
Just go mixing.
is actually the lemon juice on the fish complements the flavor of the acai really well. really nice combination.
I like the fish better with the acai than just the fish alone. I think that the two really go hand in hand.
When you finish a bottle like this and you get some sleep, man.
Get some sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Does acai make you sleepy?
Yeah, this is pure acai.
And pure acai, why does it make you sleepy?
Pure acai gives you energy, a lot of energy. But in order to give you that energy, you have to save it a little bit with a nice sleep, and then you're gonna have energy for the rest of the day. Just half an hour. of
So we're
sleep.
taking a
So
nap
are we
after
taking a
this?
nap?
Yep.
In the hammock over there?
Acai and naps.
Nap.
Finally.
Well, that was an absolutely unbelievable meal. The mixture with the fish and the acai just is an example of how important acai is to the culture of the people here in northern Brazil. It also really put into perspective how many acai berries it takes to make one bowl. So I'm definitely going to be feeling a lot more grateful for it next time I have it back in California. But for now, we've been exploring a lot of northern Brazil. If you haven't seen any of the other videos from this amazing country, you can find them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you after this nap.